Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to add family members on Facebook by using mobile and also by computer. Friends, today's era almost everyone use Facebook. So if you want, you can add your family members on Facebook. So to know these tips and tricks, please watch the whole video. And if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Open your Facebook to add family members. Then you have to click on your profile here. After that you have to click on see your about info. Then you have to scroll down. And see here family members, right? Add a family member. You have to click on here. And you have to click on enter a name. Then you have to type your family member name who are using Facebook. So I'm typing now, like Mehdi Hassan. He's my family member. So I want to add this account as a family member. So I have to click on here. Then from relationship, I have to choose the relationship with him. So click on here. So you can choose the relationship from here. So I want to choose brother. Then you can make it public or private. For this you have to click on here. Then you have to click on more option and see has only me, friends, public. You want to make the settings from here. So I want to make public, so I have to click on here. Then you have to click on save. And see the request pending, right? So the Facebook account of Mehdi Hassan, he will get a notifications and he has to accept the request. Then this Facebook account will be added as my family member. So if you want, you can add more Facebook account as a family member by using mobile. Now I'll show you how to add family members by computer. So go on computer. To add family members on Facebook by computer, you have to open your internet browser. Then you have to log in on that browser of your Facebook account. So open it. So I have already logged in my Facebook account on Google Chrome browser. So after logging your Facebook account, you will see the interface like this. And after that you have to click on your profile. You can click from here and also you can click from here. So click on it. Then you have to click on about. After that you have to scroll down. And see has family and relationships, right? You have to click on here. And on the right hand side you can see add a family member, right? You can click on here. Then you have to click here. And you have to type your family member name who are using Facebook account. So I'm writing like he is my family member. So I'll select this Facebook account. Then you have to choose the relationship with him. You can click on here. And you can select the relationship with him from here. So I want to add brother, and also you can make it public and private. For this you have to click on here and see has public, friends of friends, friends only me, right? So I want to make friends, so to select this one. Then you have to click on done. After that you have to click on save. So click on here and see this account request has been pending, right? Because this Facebook account will get a notifications. He has to accept the request. Then this account will show in my profile as a family member. So like this you can add Facebook account as a family member by using mobile and also by computer. So like this you can add Facebook account as a family member by using mobile and also by computer. To add family member on your Facebook account, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.